I work for NASA at the Kennedy Space Center, assembling and testing an international laboratory in space.
My work helps patients at our hospital get better care.
Every day I am improving how we make some of America's favorite treats.
Our motto is we never forget who we're working for, and who we work for is the U.S. military.
Within 10 years, every hospital in the nation will have an industrial engineer associated with their team.
I help create magical moments at one of the world's most famous places.
Industrial engineers are problem solvers. People who find that it's creative and fun to make things work better.
The International Space Station travels around the Earth at 17,500 miles per hour. That's 16 times a day. 6 astronauts from different countries live there, performing experiments that would benefit life on Earth. I lead a team of people that assembles and checks out the hardware that will be flown to space, which will then be used by our scientists. This module just came back from space, and actually we opened up the hatch yesterday. As an industrial engineer, I'm contributing to one of the greatest technological achievements in human history.
I like my job because it's different every day. In this plant, we make about 1 million pounds of chocolate every day. Even in a company as successful as Hershey, industrial engineers can always help improve what we do. We ended up collecting rows of bars and looking at the almond percentage by bar. Our Hershey bars with almonds did not always have a consistent number of almonds. I led a team to make design changes to the equipment, so now the bars have a more consistent number of almonds. Now we are producing better quality bars, our customers are happy, and the company is saving money.
Lockheed Martin is the #1 defense contractor for the United States government. I'm responsible for the operations element of the missiles and fire control business. The approach we're going to take to build and test things, the manpower we're going to need, the technology support, the whole backbone of what we do is all around the culture, what I'll call the culture of being an IE. When my customer comes back and tells me that the products I made saved their lives, there is no more customer satisfaction better than that.
Industrial engineers are the kind of people that find the shortest, quickest, cheapest, best way to do something and think it's fun to solve that puzzle.
We try to strive for delivering excellence and quality in all we do.
Not only do they have good technical skills, they're good in math and science and computers, but they also have good people skills. They learn how businesses work. They learn how the world works.
They look at the whole picture and they try to understand where it all fits.
Starting salaries now are in the $55,000 to $65,000 range. Industrial engineers are in more demand today than they ever have been.
Because there's so many things you can do with IE, I don't really feel worried about my next step in my career.
Hospitals today are busier than ever, so it's really important that each patient gets fast and quality care. As an industrial engineer, I work directly with doctors and nurses. And you find that having a standard process with a huddle has really improved your metrics as opposed to what you were doing before. We develop ideas to make the hospital run more efficiently and make procedures like lab testing more accurate. And seeing patients get better and seeing them happy about their care, it really means a lot, and it makes you want to come to work every day.
I remember coming to the theme parks as a kid. I wanted to experience everything. Now my job at Disney is to make sure our parks and resorts are fun and efficient, so our guests get the full experience. I observe how our attractions are operating and analyze data to make improvements. New changes to Space Mountain are making wait times shorter and more entertaining. Think about the number of people that come through our turnstiles, and getting the opportunity to say, yep, I had a hand in improving their experience is definitely rewarding.
From the products on our shelves to the efficiency of our trucks, industrial engineers contribute to Walmart's role as a global leader in sustainability.
My job is to create technology that makes it easy to capture and share life's most important moments.
Industrial engineers help our airports operate more safely and efficiently.
I study the new and innovative ways people work today so my company can develop products for the future.
I develop new methods to keep our factory workers safer on the job.
At the American Red Cross, industrial engineers coordinate disaster relief to the world's neediest people.
I'm able to help create a corporate vision and develop a path to get there.
As an industrial engineer, I help to advance the future of space exploration. I work for a company that builds medical devices so people can live longer, healthier lives.
Our team of industrial engineers finds the best way to transport our products to more than 1,000 stores.
My company makes equipment to diagnose all kinds of patient injuries and illness.
As an industrial engineer, I'm improving products for the global auto industry.
Industrial engineering gives me a unique and different perspective to improve the way my company does business.
I try to drive continuous process improvement every day.
Industrial engineering opens up opportunities throughout the company. You can pretty much go anywhere.
We're tackling new challenges and coming up with creative solutions to make our company better.
And all those things that I learned in my IE program, I apply every day here.
It's exciting to use my industrial engineering skills to deliver a great guest experience.
My job is rewarding because I know I'm making a difference in people's lives.
Industrial engineers are the leaders of today and tomorrow.
Every day is a different adventure. It's truly the dream job.